Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the wristband or the straps on this watch. If you want to change the wristband or the straps on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that the straps have the button on them basically. And to remove the strap, simply press the button like this, and then slowly wiggle the strap around to remove it, and it should pop off. Let's do the same for the second one. So press the button like this, come on, like that, and take off the band. Basically how this mechanism works is if you press the button on the strap, the pin right here will hide basically, so it will retract inside of the strap and it will release the strap from the watch. It will release the mechanism. Okay, so that's how you remove the straps, and once you get the new ones you can simply reattach them in similar way. You simply press the button on the strap, you put one pin on the side into hole right here, adjust it like that, press the button and slip it in and release the button, and the strap will latch on like this. And then let's do the same. So press the button, put the strap in. It's gonna be a bit wonky, but once you put it in, release the button, it will hold. Okay, and that's how you remove or change the wristband or the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.